What's up guys, we're back, and today we're going to be doing some starling hunting with the good old 22 caliber pellet gun, which this is the Gammo Viper Gen 3i, the third edition of this gun. Pretty cool and all right. We got this whole entire woods that my grandpa owns, and we're going to be doing some nice hunting and try to find some starlings or some sparrows because they're very invasive on our farm, very invasive. So we're gonna get onto the video, and the reason why they're invasive is because they will literally kill the native birds, like the good native birds in Missouri. They will literally kill them for no reason, which is stupid, and is why I'm going to kill them with a pellet gun. Because one, I don't want to get striked because I'm too young to have normal guns. Two, might as well take them out in a good way that will kill them, but not do too much harm, which is perfect for a pellet gun. And we actually have a barn up here that, like, I went this morning to kill. Oh my gosh, there was like 50 of them. I'm dead serious, 50 of them literally sitting there. Other than that, I'll cut you guys back when we get to the barn that our spot is at, because it's a really good spot. Other than that, see ya.
No, God, no.
What's up guys, we're back. And dude, it's freaking -5 degrees out here. And we're gonna be doing some sparrow hunting. Cause I got a late start to school. And I have to go in at 9:45. So it's about 7 o'clock right now. And -5 degrees out here. I am freezing my butt off. But I wanna go hunting. So that's what we're doing. And also, YouTube, this is a pellet gun that I am using. There's the pellets right there. And this is not a real gun. Okay. Now, I know exactly where the sparrows are at. They're all the way at my grandparents' house. And as you know from yesterday, we went over there and we were actually pretty successful. Well, actually, no, I killed a sparrow out of my house yesterday, but I killed a starling at my grandpa's barn that there were like 50 of them things. So I would kill squirrels and rabbits, but in the season. So there's only like starlings and sparrows and birds like that I can shoot. And there's definitely no groundhogs out. I don't know if it's season for that either. But if it is, there's definitely none out. So that's great. But yeah, we're gonna bring the damage to them. They ain't doing no damage anymore. Got the good old 22 cal pellet gun right here. It's gonna get the job done. Ooh, is that sparrow? Ooh, did I just see a... I just saw a sparrow, guys. If you want to know how you identify a sparrow, when they fly, their big tail feathers like pop out, and they're like a long body. So if I can find that one that landed up here, as you can see, that's how cold it is. I'm really blowing smoke right now. Or not smoke, but steam. I call it smoke all the time, even though it's not. Be sure to go watch our other video, the squirrel hunting with the pellet gun, or hunting with pellet gun. We did not get a squirrel, but we did get something. I'm not telling you guys in this, but you guys need to go watch it if you guys want to know. I mean, right now, it isn't really terribly bad. Like, I mean, I could like stand it, but once the wind picks up and like it starts blowing in your face, that's when it gets cold. Not when, like, because I have a hoodie on underneath this, so I'm perfectly warm right now. Only thing that's cold is my hand holding the camera and the gun. So, yeah. I'll catch you guys back when we get to the barn up here. We're probably about 150, 200 feet or yards. Well, yeah, 100 yards probably away from the barn. So it's gonna be a little bit, but I'll catch you guys back when we get to it and we find a starling. Other than that, stay tuned. Guys, see that gray barn in the background over there? That's a good old barn that starlings hang out at. I killed one yesterday. At the top of that big tree up there, and he flew down, and it was pretty nice. He flew down and freaking smacked into the ground and died. So I'm probably like winged him in the body, and he was hanging on for dear life, even though he was already gonna die, because there was like, I wasn't harming him. He was already gonna die at all, but I think I broke his wing, so I had a little bit of energy left. So he just glided. He didn't even flap his wings. So I'm guessing my pellet went in and exited the, like, where the wing meets the body, and that's why I couldn't move and fly. But yeah, there's the cows right there. That's where they usually are. Dang. They aren't over there. I was hoping to make a YouTube video for school. Oh. I can't go hiking around for too long. I have to go take a shower and everything and get ready for school. It's at 9:45, and then with it being -5, I'll take a shower, my hair's still wet, I go outside for about 10 minutes probably. My hair's gonna be frozen. I don't want that. I hear some. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I do hear some. There they are. Are those woodpeckers or not? Oh yeah, boys. Hold on. Got one right there. See that tree right there? Oh my God. Oh my God, it came back. Hold on. We got another one. Yeah. Dude, I hit him. Dude, I winged his. I winged him. I don't know. I'll put the replay back up right here. But I don't know if you guys saw it, but there were some feathers that flew off. So, let's see if we can go get him, because he's injured probably. I can't do that with one arm. This thing's too heavy for that. Dude, that flew into a pig pen. Ah, oh, I can't shoot in there. I got pigs in there. Oh, dude, all the... I got 2 pellets left. And I'm at the pause so I can load the mag back up. Because it's a long process and I'm not going to film myself doing it. Dude, I winged him. There he is. See him? Bro, what? Dude, I am really winging all of these things. I don't know if you guys saw that either, but dude. Oh, come on, there's all of them birds around here, but they ain't the good, not good, I mean, they're the good ones, but they're not the ones I can shoot. Dude, why is the pellet gun not hitting? I was really sniping starlings yesterday. It's a big black blob. Not them big little tiny ones. Dude, where'd they go? Look at all them tracks are here. There's one. Where's he gonna land? I don't know, I'm not chasing after him. Dude. That ain't one, that's a woodpecker. I'm definitely not shooting that. Dude, the squirrels and the rabbits right there. Come on. Of course I see him after season. Okay. You guys know what? I'm gonna start going back to my house. I have to be a bit wet. You ready? I can't talk, it's so cold. We had some nice shots. Wasn't good enough, I guess. Definitely need more practice on me. But we're gonna get some. Trust me. We will get some. And that is the most confident will I've said in a long time. So, and then today, it's gonna be some other time, because most likely this weekend. Because I got a late start today, and I'm not actually off like I was last couple days. So, other than that, thank you guys so much for staying tuned to this video. Drop down in the comments starling if you guys made it this far. Other than that, I'll catch you back when we go hunting again. What's up, guys? We're back, and as you can see, we got the pellet gun back again. And yes, this is a pellet gun. I've already mentioned this a few times, but I'm very cautious on not wanting to get a strike. So this is a pellet gun. All for the information and everything. But as you guys know, we're gonna go hunting from some starlings and some sparrows. Those are the two main goals. A starling right here and a sparrow right here. So those are the two main objectives that we're gonna go hunting for, which I'm hearing birds, but I do not think those are any of the two. So, and comment down below, that design point at me, comment down below what kind of animals you like me to hunt. And and if they're in season, I will make a video of me hunting them, especially for you guys. So, other than that, we're just gonna be walking around on this pavement. Oh yeah, this snow is beautiful. I have to say that. Like, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. There's snow on the ground. Favorite part. And as you guys know, when I was filming in the beginning, it was negative. Like, what did I say? -4? I don't know. I'll put it right here how cold it was when I was filming. But it was cold, and it's warmed up a lot. Like, now I think it's, I don't know. It is, let me check for you guys, because I think it's about 29 or 30, around there. Hold on. It is, where I am, 30. So snow's almost melting, which that's good and bad. It's good to know what animals you have around, because when it snowed and they just now walk through it, it leaves tracks, which is a good way to figure out what the heck you got on your farm, which is pretty good. And also, I haven't got any suggestions yet, but if you guys want to see some raccoon content, look at these trees. Like, there are big holes in some of them, like down there and like back in those woods. In my not in my videos, but when I was hunting down there before I was filming, there was this big tree that had tracks below it, and it was like probably almost double the thickness of that one, which that one's really big, as you can see. But yeah, I might get to our spot where we saw the starlings last time. I killed in the last video. But other than that, be sure to stay tuned, because there's gonna be some good hunting in this video. Okay guys, we're back. The pellet gun, we're getting onto them. Like literally, on the other side of this barn, there's like probably 6 or 7 of them. And there are, I'm pretty sure, starlings, because they're the dark black and like a little bit of blue. So I'll peek you guys around the corner and I'll show you. I'm using this as cover so I can sneak up on them. See them? These big black spots up there. I'm gonna set you guys down. We're gonna shoot them right now. Dang it. Shoot. Guys, dude, we winged him. Dude. That is not good. We winged him. He was right. They flew down in that field down there. Dude, they were up in that tree. Right there. Dude. There was a whole group of them. Gosh. Okay. I just saw a shadow fly above me. Okay. I know another good spot. This is getting good. I'll catch you guys back when we get to the next spot. See ya. Guys. We found a starling. Hold on. I'll show you in a second. Hold on. We're going in. Did he move? Nah. Dude, I was making the whole stalk on him and everything. Dang. He really stretched me. Hold on. Right there. You see him? Hold on. I'll put an arrow on him. He's right there. Hold on. Hold on. I see him. Right there. Hold on. We're gonna sit you in this post right here. Right there. Look. Right. Real close too. Right there. We're trying to get a take on. Cows move. I'm not shooting now. God dang it, move. Dude, now he's flying away. Okay, there they go. Hold on. Yes, Mr. Woodpecker, I hear you. Nah, dude. Come on. Dude, I had a good shot and these cows walked right in front of me. Yes, I see you. Okay, well. Abandoned mission. Huh. That didn't go to plan. At least you still have a pellet loaded up until they come back. Okay, I'm gonna go find another one. Hold on. Guys, there's a starling right there. There he is. They're right in that tree. Nah, hold on. I'm just gonna cut that one out and retry. Guys, there's a starling in that tree right there. Oh, shoot, you guys, starlings. They're back. Starlings are back. Starlings are back. Right there in that tree. I need to move. Go on. Not fly away. Just move where I can get a good shot on you. There you go. Is that loaded? Oh, it's loaded. No. Oh my gosh. I had a shot on them and I missed it. Okay, we're gonna go find those guys back. Dude, come on. I shot a. Is that one right there? Is that a song? Boy, you got a starling. We still got a starling. Where can I go to shoot him? Oh, wait. Come on, hold on. Come on, we're in a restaurant in this little piece of... That hurt. Okay, I stubbed my toe on a piece of metal. Or whatever this stuff is. Okay. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there. I'll try to get a good point at him. Bro, what? Okay, I'm not gonna use that clip. What's up, guys? We found some starlings up in this tree. They're like probably 15 yards from us. This is the perfect shot. If we can kill this starling, this is gonna be the last shot of the video. So, not saying I want it to be, but it's getting pretty long. So, there it is, right up there. Here we go. I'll show you me shooting it. This is the pellet gun, for you guys know. Where is he at? I can't see him. Dude. Never mind. Video's going longer. Okay, we found the last set of starlings right there in that tree. I'll put an arrow on them. Here we go. moving. One was in the clear and the other one's behind sticks. Need that one or the other one to move. And then we can get him. I'm going to stay here. And I'm currently getting my left cuff of my jeans wet right now from the snow. So hopefully this is worth it. Come on, move. I'm not gonna risk that shot. Come on, please move. Come on. I could try moving, but I'm not gonna scare him away. That one seriously just moved. It's aggravating me, didn't it? Yeah. What else is new? You could try shooting the back of them. That's risky. Come on. Please just move. It's almost dark. Oh, here, we're taking this into our own hands. I found a new set. Never mind. There's a different group that has like 6 of them. I'm gonna go right by this tree over there. I'm gonna rest the good old pellet gun, not a real gun, pellet gun, on this branch. We're gonna smoke them. Okay, hold on. Act like we're not here. Both we do not smoke those starlings. Come on, please don't fly away. Should I just take them? Look at that. Right there. Right there. It's a big group. There's also one right there in that tree that I want to take, but they're all like hiding from me. Come on. Okay, I spooked them. Hold on. I didn't really spook them. Okay, they went to that group. Okay, hold on. If we can get to that barn, holy shoot. Look at that. Okay, hold on. And on top of that big tree over there, that whole big black bunch is a huge group of starlings right by each other. Dude, this is gonna be cool if we can sneak up. Come on. Cause like, if we can get to that shed and rest on there, that would be the perfect shot. Or I could sneak around and go from that and flank them on that side. Okay, hold on. We're going to get... Hold on. Yeah, that's a lot of starlings. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Wait till I get in sight with one. Then I actually have a clear shot of taking. I mean, I could just sit on the ground and rest on my knee. I'm not confident holding the gun. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, hold on, please don't move. Please don't fly away, please don't fly away. Hold on. Oh, come on. I'm gonna have to take him, hold on. Here we go. We're taking it, we're taking it. Got him. I got him. Guys, we got him. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Yes, piggies, we scared you. Finally, guys, this was the last shot of the video. Oh my gosh, the pellet gun. It's not even a real gun and it got it done. Oh my gosh. Let's go. I was pulling the trigger so hard on the other ones, and I finally just focused in and actually just like was not nervous. Oh my gosh, dude. I've been waiting to get one. And yes, this is a Starling, and I am for sure of it. Look at this thing. Nailed him. And there's no blood, so I can't show this. Look at this. If there is blood, I won't show. Okay, we're good. Look at this. Freaking nailed him. Let's go. Guys, let's go. Right there. I pierced him right through the chest. About right there. Perfect shot right while I was aiming. And yes, these birds are invasive, so I'm just going to throw it into this field right here. And so like the coyotes or something get it. Because I do have some rabbit remains left from a long time ago that I'm going to throw out in a field later on in the video. I'm going to get my dad to come out here so I can use one of my real guns, or one of his, not mine, but my dad's, and I can use one of his guns and we can go coyote hunting. Comment down below if you guys want to watch that, because I'm doing it. I'm probably going to do it. I'm just going to throw this guy into this field and so that the coyotes or the vultures get him, because those things are invasive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, it means a lot. Thank you guys so much. If you guys like the video, maybe, possibly, you guys could possibly subscribe. If you guys do, please, if you guys like the video, please do it. Other than that, I'm not forcing you. So, other than that, have a good day. And remember, God bless. Guess what, guys? That wasn't the end of the video. God was throwing right there in that tree. I was going to be done, but I decided to include this in the video. And the pellet gun's going to get it done once again. Here we go. Right there. Oh, come on. Did you guys just see that? Oh, my hat is horrible. Guys, the 22 caliber pellet gun. It's not even a real gun. This is how accurate pellet guns can be. 2 Starlings in this video. 2. Let's freaking go. You know how invasive these things are? Where'd he go? Right here. Hopefully, I'm gonna go set my gun down so I don't have to drop it. Oh, you know, I'll set leaning against here. Guys, I'm saying this, it does not take for you to spend $1,000 on a pellet gun, on an air rifle or something. This thing right here was $240. It's still expensive, but not as much as like an FX Wildcat. They're like $3,000. There's no point. Like, you can get the Gamma Magnum, and the Magnum's better than that one, and that's like $300. So that's what I'm saying. You can get air rifles for pretty cheap, and as you know, not cheap, but you can get them for cheaper on the lower end and still be really accurate with them. And look at this. Hold on, wait. Oh shoot. Never mind, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna have to shoot him again. I'm not gonna show this, but I mean, I'll record, but I'm not. Hold on. I'm gonna have to shoot him again. I'll catch you guys back when we have him dispatched. Okay, guys. Well, this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna show you this, but I'm gonna have to gray it out because this one has a little bit of blood, and I can't show blood, so I'm gonna gray this out. But look at this. He's still twitching a little bit. That's just the nerves. So I'm not gonna. Oh, here. I'll just gray it out. That's him right there. thank you guys so much for watching, and I already did my intro, but I'll say it again. If you guys liked the video, maybe you guys could subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, but I'm not forcing you to. If you guys liked it, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for next content coming out. It's most likely going to be more starling hunting and sparrow hunting, but comment down below like animals that you want me to go hunting, and I'll make sure they're in season, and I will choose which one is the best. Sorry. And I'll choose which one is the best, and I'll go hunting for it and make a video out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day, and God bless.